How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 65 GTO. It's a PHS documented. It's done in Regal Red, red interior. Car retains most of its original body panels. Nice car, guys. Their front bumpers all been re-chromed. The grills are original and excellent condition, as well as the headlight bezels. Car's nice and flat down the sides. This car was restored about 8 years ago. Got the vintage Kreger SS wheels. Just a cool car. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. Taillight bezels and the tail panel moldings are original. They show a little bit of patina, but they're in good condition. See, the car looks real good down the sides. Got a nice black pinstripe on it. Just offsets the car. The original motor has been replaced with a 455. It's got a Muncie M21 4-speed in it. It's been nicely updated with the power disc brakes. It's got power steering. You have to kind of bear with it. It's a little on the cold side today. So all the interior's been replaced with legendary interior. Got the tach and dash. Headliner looks real nice and tight. Interior's in excellent shape. Front's been updated with seat belts. The 65s didn't really come with them. There was an option. All in the trunk looks real nice. Just a great cruiser, fun car to drive. Got the Hurst Competition Plus 4-speed shifter, made it up to the Muncie. He's a little new at 4-speed. It's kind of bear with him. Tell you, these cars, good looking car, red, and that red interior just stands out. Very nice car, guys. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.